Okay. So I did I'm starting to do a video. What? I just opened up this package right here. What I got. And I just cut it off. Here's the top. It's got stuff all up in it. Anyway. This is the bag. And then it was just wrapped up in this. Anyway, what I'm going to be doing, let me explain it really quick before this video goes off. I'm going to, I'm uploading this one, but then I'm going to, later, a couple days this week, like, I think maybe around Tuesday or tomorrow even, I'm going to receive another package in the mail because I ordered something else. And I'm also going to be doing a giveaway of a Coach item that I just purchased. And I'm also going to have another package after that. So I'm going to just do a series of all the packages, fresh and brand new unboxing or unbagging in this case. This one came from the Coach outlet. Here is that. And then it just came with a return receipt. And this is a Coach Boxy makeup bag. I just took it out the bag and oh my gosh, I'm so surprised how big it is. This is it. Look how beautiful. And then it's got the Coach, what's that called? The, charm on the bag. I have this. I have not opened this. I haven't taken anything off, so this is it. It's just pink. And then here's the tag. I don't even know what the tag says. It says $128. My fiance bought me this. And then I got, what's that? And here's another one. And let's see what's inside. This is so pretty. I cannot believe it's huge. Here's my chest. Here's the bag. Literally, that's how wide it is. So if you want to get an idea, I thought it was going to be really small, but it is not. Make sure you subscribe to this because when I come on my next video, just subscribe to this. Hit the like button if you would like for me to do more of these brand new Coach hauls or whatever. This isn't a haul. This is just the gifts. I want to share it with you guys. Open it with you guys together because I'm going to be doing a series of items I get from Coach. And then look for this. Today is Sunday. And so this Monday or Tuesday. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And comment and leave a thumbs up if you want to see my next video of a Coach video.